The Mayan calendar is one example of a different civilization, and they actually had a system of two calendars that worked together. One you may be familiar with. It's called the Tzolkin. This means the count of days. Zol is count and kin is day. Tzolkin is count of days. And it is a 260-day calendar. This calendar was the personal calendar of the Maya. It was also the astrological, which is how you probably heard about it. It was the astrological calendar of the Maya. But we look at this personal calendar of the Maya. How personal can a calendar be? In this case, a person's first name, born as a Maya, was the day that they were born. And everybody who was born on the same day as me, on this 260-day calendar, would have the same name. The reason was because this 260-day calendar is made up of different energies. It's made up of 13 intentions that run 1 through 13, and then it starts over. It goes 1 through 13 again, and it goes over again. And there's 20 aspects of creation that run over and over again in a pattern. 12 times 13, 13 times 20 equals 260. So there is a complete set of the 13 intentions repeated 20 times. The Mayan person born on a particular day was given the name of the intention and the aspect that they represented. Does it make sense to you that people have any choice on when they're born? Does it? It makes sense. Why would you pick a particular day to be born? More than likely because you liked it. More than likely because it matched up with what you intended to do with your lifetime. For 5,000 years, the Maya ran their civilization centered on this information. Personally. The Maya celebrated every single day of their calendar as a sacred event. Every single day has an intention. And every single day has an aspect of creation. This Tzolkin calendar worked along next to another calendar that we're going to be talking mostly about today. You'll see this calendar woven in, but this is pretty much what we're going to be talking about. The Tun calendar, T-U-N, Tun. And this is the Maya 360-day calendar. Those prophecies were all based on the Tun calendar with the intentions and aspects of the Tzolkin calendar. They work like this. This is the 260-day calendar, the Tzolkin. This is the Tun calendar, the prophetic calendar. Now each day on the Tzolkin, there's 260 days, like teeth of a gear. And then there's 360 teeth on this gear. This Tzolkin Tzolkin calendar revolves. And it makes that one move. This goes around and around with these repeated intentions and aspects. Every 52 revolutions of this calendar, the two teeth that started out match back up. Every 52 revolutions of this, you get back to where you started. 52 revolutions of this. And a person became an elder and was then able to teach others. Up until that time, they were a student. They were an apprentice. No matter how accomplished physically, they were only a student. The reason is because they had not yet experienced all of the different energies of creation that could be presented. So, 260 days and 360 days don't match up with any of our understanding of timekeeping. There's no planets or moons going around the solar system every 260 days. There's no planets or moons going around every 360 days either. The archaeologists were completely stumped. I mean, this was just mysticism to them. So they really didn't investigate it much. They just put it on the shelf. That's why it's been a mystery all this time. Okay, so we now have the Tzolkin and the tune. Any other questions about this right away? Is that pretty clear? I mean, I know it's different than how we do it, but it's just, well, it's mechanical, really. It just goes and runs. So what were these guys timing? Big mystery. Let's talk about it.